Thanks for choosing Dynatect as your solution partner. This video works alongside the product guide to assist with door installation. Please inspect the shipment and confirm all items are in the package. Before starting, gather all required tools. Dynatect recommends pre-drilling the mounting holes for all components. Position the pennant plate and mark the holes before drilling. Pennant plates must be mounted to match the width of the door opening surfaces. Place the sill plate at the bottom of the cabinet floor, mark the holes, and drill. Position the side rail with the bottom resting on the cabinet floor or on the top of the sill plate. With the side rail in place, mark and drill the hole locations. Do not permanently fasten the side rails at this time. Position the top rail flush with the bottom edge of the header and align with the edges of the side rail. With the flange facing upwards, cut the top seal ends. If the system includes the door ajar switch option, install it now following the product guide instructions. Set aside the top and side rails before installing the door. Place the roller shaft into the arbors. The right side label should be on the right when viewed from the outside of the compartment. Slide the cotter pin through the arbor and shaft. Slide the door shade mounting ribs over the idler wheel. Position the door shade to hang behind the roller. Secure the mounting ribs using the attachment clips. Rotate the spring roller clockwise to relieve tension on the hairpin, then remove the hairpin. Slowly rotate the spring roller counterclockwise to roll the door shade up into the fully open position. Screws should not extend more than 1/8 of an inch into the compartment. Recommended hole placement is no more than 12 inches apart. Insert the handle into the side rails and rotate the assembly towards the compartment. Fasten the side rail using the pre-drilled holes with your chosen hardware. After installing the door shade and roller, if the bolt cover was previously removed, slide it back into place. Trim any excess so it sits flush. For a stronger bond, add a drop of Permabond to each end of the bolt cover. As a final step, close the door fully and release the handlebar from the stop latch. Then, cycle the door up and down several times to ensure smooth operation. Visit Dynatect.com to download a digital copy of the most recent product guide at any time. Thank you for watching.